Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Roselle, 36 years old from Palolete, Philippines. I'm not yet married, but I have two daughters, age 14 and 8 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, and I'm a pet lover. I have one dog. My expertise, I take care of a child. I work as a domestic helper to a Chinese family in Malaysia for 2 years and 10 months. From September 2012 to July 2015, I serve 2 elderly, 1 couple, 2 children, age 13 and 9 years old. My duties are taking care of a child, doing laundry, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and wash car, and feeding a dog. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I'm willing to take good care of an elderly and newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like, "And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O." To my future employer, Mom and Sir, choose me as your housemaid because I'm a hardworking, honest, obedient, and I have a long patience. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my 2 years contracts and more. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you.